wala nami. Savage wolves will come in among you. Is a warning about the impending persecution. Savage wolves gani na ay persecuting force. Ilam mong pangihawon, ilam mong pamatyon. Not sparing the flock. But verse 30 is another branch of that warning. Human sa time sa mga apostles. Number 1, wolves, persecuting power, not sparing the flock. Savage wolves will come among you, not sparing the flock. You will be persecuted. Number 2, from among yourselves, meaning from within the church. Teachers will arise, speaking perverse things, drawing away disciples after themselves. Na ay mga tao nga, gikan ra sa sulod sa church, mo introduce og mga pagtulunan nga dili na gikan sa original nga pagtulunan. Perverse things na. And they will draw people to themselves.